Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a comparison among the Mailchimp and the Brevo in terms of the landing pages, how the landing pages goes with each of these platforms. So for the Mailchimp, good news is that on the free plan, even if I'm using a free plan, all you have to do is to go to the campaigns and you can create as many landing pages as you want. It doesn't need any pro subscription, but for the Mailchimp, but for the Brevo, my bad, it does require a $65 plus membership in order to get that feature. So I have done an essential comparison between both of those, so I would like to share it with you guys. So in terms of the features, availability, uh, these are the availabilities for the free plan on the Mailchimp, but it does comes with a premium plan, only $65 plus monthly. Quantity, it offers unlimited pages, as I've already told you. The main use is you have to get your own personal domain, but it gives you personal domain with the subscription. So tracking, it does give you three different things: Mailchimp, Google Analytics, and Meta Pixels. It only sync the Google Analytics data. Design, in terms of design, Mailchimp is way ahead because it uses a lot of AI features, and even you can add your own personal code in it. But Brevo is of a bit far behind. It gives you conversion plus sales funnels. It doesn't give you creative and modern design. Direct shop blocks for the products, focus on lead generation forms. So in terms of landing pages, I would recommend you guys to go with the Mailchimp any day, every day. Take care. Bye bye.